Big bucks, no whammies, no whammies. And stop.
All right, Joel, so what is the hack that we are testing today? I have a salad spinner. You told me to go get a dirty shirt. What's going on?
Today's Hacker Whack comes from a post that we found in Self magazine, and the writer Anna Borges suggested that if you can't get to the laundromat too often during quarantine, you can clean your dirty underwear in a pinch in a salad spinner.
Okay. I don't see why that wouldn't work, I guess.
I guess. Or would it be any better than hand washing, I guess is the question.
True.
Just to spare our audience from having us watch our underwear, I'm using some dirty placemats.
I grabbed an old shirt, a couple of nacho cheese stains on here, I'm sure.
For this first cycle, we're gonna add some detergent. Since it's such a small amount of laundry, people often put way too much detergent. This is tiny. I would honestly put like a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon of detergent, really very little.
Pour it right in there.
Pour it on your tiny amount of laundry. Then we're gonna cover it with water. I'm using purified water because this is the only pitcher I have.
Only the best for your laundry. So we're about halfway submerged, and that's about how much water I have filled up.
For this first cycle, you just take it for a spin. I don't know actually if there's that much agitation. It looks like it's kind of just spinning around as it was.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any suds or soapiness or anything. And I feel like my shirt is just sort of laying there flat, like it's not getting tossed around like it would in a washing machine or a dryer.
Yeah, it's kind of just like stationary and just spinning around. It's not scrubbing or flipping.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine up and check it out.
Okay, I'm gonna dump out the soapy water. Next step, according to the post, is you put it back in with now clean water to rinse it. You know, Abu, I gotta say already, I don't buy this. I think this is the same as just running it under the sink.
I'm with you there. I feel like I could have just washed this shirt real quick. Just hand washed it.
Last step in the post is you dump out all the water. I definitely got something. This water is very cloudy. It might just be the water in my apartment. So then you dump out the water, and then we give it a few spins just to dry it off, which is actually what a salad spinner is for. Oh, now the drying thing, I definitely pulled out a bunch of moisture.
Wow, the salad spinner did its job. At the end of the day, this might be useful if it was more than one item. You know, like I just used one shirt, but I feel like I wasted my time using a salad spinner and going through all these rinse cycles when I could have just washed it under the sink real quick. But let's say, I had like multiple pairs of small items that I needed to like quickly rinse instead of doing them one by one. This might be useful.
I would agree with you. I think as the writer put it, if you have like multiple pairs of underwear, then sure, it's a good way to do it in a pinch. For that, it's a hack. I would say for anything bigger, just wash it by hand. And for that, it's whack.
But I mean, it's clean, which you would expect it to be considering we put it through 3 rinse cycles and put some soap in there, so.
Okay, so I guess this is a mild hack. If your sink is dirty, if you got several small things you gotta clean, fine, use your salad spinner. It technically works.